Again, well, today I have a special guest for you. It is Elmo. Okay. Um, I found him when I was clearing out at home, and rather than put him in the trash, which I should have done, I thought I'd share him with you. Now, he talks, obviously. Let's listen to what he's saying, okay? Elmo, hello, okay.
Elmo wants to eat snow cones.
Okay, Elmo wants to eat snow cones.
And yummy.
Cold and yummy, okay? Sounds good.
Elmo wants to eat fried rice.
Okay, he wants to eat
Smells good.
He wants to eat fried rice because it smells good. Yes? Yes. Okay.
Elmo wants to eat bread.
Okay.
It's soft
Okay. He wants to eat
and yummy.
bread because it's soft and yummy. Okay.
Elmo wants to eat cereal with milk.
Okay. Elmo wants to eat video with milk. Video with milk. With milk. What do you eat with milk? What do we? Cereal. Cereal with meat. Milk. Something like cornflakes or something. Okay.
Elmo wants to eat pancakes
Pancakes.
with honey. It's sweet and yummy.
Okay, so you want to eat pancakes with honey because that's sweet and yummy.
Elmo wants to eat fried eggs. Elmo loves them.
You want to eat fried eggs. Okay, because Elmo loves fried eggs. Yes.
Elmo wants to eat bananas.
Bananas. But just because they're bananas, yes. Yes. Okay.
Elmo wants to eat strawberries.
Strawberries.
It's sweet and yummy.
It's sweet and yummy. Okay, I agree with you. Sweet and yummy strawberries.
Elmo wants to eat a sandwich.
A sandwich. Okay, just a sandwich again. No description, Elmo.
Elmo wants to eat chocolate.
Chocolate
It's sweet
and
and yummy.
yummy. So chocolate, sweet and yummy, folks.
Elmo's getting full. Let's shake hands.
No, let's shake. Okay, we're going to shake hands with Elmo. Okay, you can see he has got his hands here. Okay, and I've got my hand there, so I'm going to shake. Let's shake. Let's shake Elmo's hand. Okay.
Let's shake hands. Your hands are soft.
My hands are
What
soft.
do you like?
What do I like?
Elmo likes a lot of things.
Okay.
Hey, that's Elmo's body part.
Okay, touch Elmo's body parts again. Here we go again. The body parts I'm allowed to touch. I don't like doing this. The little sensors in his hands where I squeeze it.
Elmo's favorite animals are cats.
Cats, okay.
Meow.
Meow, meow. Me too. I like cats. Okay, touch your other hand there.
Elmo's favorite animals are elephants.
Elephants.
Oh, they are big.
They are big, yes. Elephants are big, Elmo.
Elmo's favorite animals are dogs.
Dogs also, okay.
Elmo's favorite toys are balls. Elmo loves soccer.
Elmo's favourite toys are balls, okay. He loves soccer.
Elmo's favorite animals are lions.
Lions.
No. Elmo's favorite toys are teddy bears.
Okay, Teddy likes teddy bears
They
too.
are special to Elmo.
They're special to Elmo. Okay, teddy bears are special to Elmo because you're a bit of a teddy bear, aren't you? That tickles, okay. Okay, so this is Elmo. He will be at the English pool until his batteries run down. For today, I'm just going to say goodbye, I think. Let's say goodbye, Elmo. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. bye, bye, bye. Okay, until next time. See you.